Hello and welcome back to Sketch Capital. Everyone is obsessed with the SpaceX IPO, but while the world waits for Elon Musk to ring the bell, a quiet revolution is happening right under your nose. This isn't just hype, it's a massive shift in how we build the future. The space economy isn't just about rockets anymore, it's about the data, the infrastructure, and the connectivity that will define the next century. This is a trillion-dollar opportunity happening right now, far above the clouds. If you aren't invested now, you're missing the launch of a lifetime. Today, we break down 5 public companies doing the heavy lifting while SpaceX stays private. These are the stocks building the orbit we live in. Let's dive in. First on our list is Rocket Lab, ticker symbol RKLB. If any company is the SpaceX of the public markets, it's this one. Unlike most startups, they have successfully launched their Electron rocket dozens of times already. They provide the reliable access to space that the growing commercial sector demands. They are already putting satellites into orbit for paying customers every single month. They aren't just promise, they are performance. This proven execution has earned them a dominant spot in the small launch market, and they are only getting started. The real catalyst is Neutron, their upcoming medium-lift rocket designed to compete directly with Falcon 9. Neutron is being built to be reusable, which is the absolute key to massive margin expansion and sector dominance in the coming decade. Rocket Lab is a space systems titan. They build the actual satellites, sensors, and software, making them vertically integrated and capturing more profit from every mission than a simple launch provider ever could. They aren't just the ride, they are the entire bus. Why buy RKLB right now? Because they are transitioning from a niche small launch player into a diversified aerospace powerhouse with a billion-dollar backlog. They have the execution history and the forward vision that warrants a premium position in any space-themed portfolio. Second is AST Space Mobile, ticker symbol ASTS. They are tackling one of the biggest problems on Earth, global connectivity for the billions of people who still lack reliable mobile broadband. It's a massive, underserved market with nearly unlimited potential for scale. ASTS is building the first space-based cellular broadband network that works directly with your standard, unmodified smartphone. No special equipment, bulky satellite dishes, or extra hardware is needed to connect to the world from anywhere on the planet. Their technology has already proven it can deliver 5G speeds from orbit to a standard device, a feat many thought was physically impossible. They've retired the biggest technology risks and are now scaling into full commercial operations with their Bluebird constellation. They've secured massive investments from industry giants like AT&T, Verizon, and Google. These aren't just financial partners, they are future customers. The institutional backing here creates a competitive moat that is incredibly hard to bridge for any newcomer. Why buy ASTS right now? Because we are at the inflection point between research and revenue. As their constellation grows, they have the potential to become the world's most valuable telecommunications utility, connecting the entire human race from the stars. Third on the list is Intuitive Machines, ticker symbol ELON. They are the pioneers of the new lunar economy, and they have already proven they can do the impossible by landing a private spacecraft on the moon. They are the early leaders in deep space logistics. Earlier this year, they became the first private company to land a spacecraft on the moon. This critical milestone proved their technology works under extreme conditions, securing their role as the primary delivery service for the lunar frontier for NASA and commercial partners. ELON is a key partner in NASA's Artemis program, providing the logistics and infrastructure needed to establish a permanent human presence. They are the essential link in the next generation of space exploration, mining, and research that will take place on the moon. They have a multi-year pipeline, but the real upside is in lunar data and communication. By building the infrastructure for assets on the moon to talk back to Earth, they are creating high-margin, recurring service revenue that will last for decades to come. Why buy Lunar right now? Because they possess a first-mover advantage in the most strategic location in the solar system. As lunar commerce scales, Intuitive Machines is the primary gatekeeper for the Moon's resources and communication networks. It's a foundational lunar play. Fourth is Planet Labs, ticker symbol PL. They are the undisputed leaders in Earth observation, using a fleet of hundreds of tiny satellites to capture high-resolution imagery of the entire planet's landmass every single day for thousands of global customers. They capture the entire Earth daily, creating a searchable historical archive of our planet. This is the ground truth for global change, agriculture, and defense. No one else has a record this accurate, deep, or updated, providing a unique data asset for global intelligence. They operate on a high-margin, software-as-a-service model, selling insights to businesses worldwide. Their data is the foundation for decision-making in almost every major industry, from monitoring crop yields to tracking global supply chains in real time. With the rise of AI, their data becomes an invaluable archive. Their algorithms automatically detect changes in crop health or military movements across the entire globe simultaneously. They are shifting from a space hardware company to a data intelligence monopoly. With massive, multi-year contracts from government agencies like the NRO, they have a bedrock of stable income. PL is a buy now because they are shifting from a space company to a data intelligence monopoly. In the information age, the one with the best data wins. Finally, we have the builders, Redwire, ticker symbol RDW. They are the leaders in space manufacturing and the essential components that make every other mission in orbit possible. They build the foundation upon which the entire space economy stands. Redwire is a pioneer in on-orbit manufacturing, having been the first to 3D print tools on the International Space Station. Their components are on almost every major space mission for decades, serving both NASA and private giants. Their heritage is deep, proven, and essential. Their ROSA solar arrays are the industry standard, powering everything from the ISS to upcoming commercial stations. They are building the bricks and mortar of space, providing the infrastructure and power systems everyone else needs to survive and operate in orbit. As the ISS nears retirement, Redwire is a key partner for its commercial replacements. They are even developing microgravity labs for biotechnology and tissue growth. The potential for new breakthroughs in medicine and high-tech materials is astronomical and unique to orbit. Why buy RDW right now? Because they are the ultimate picks and shovels play. No matter who wins the rocket race, everyone needs Redwire's parts. They are foundational to every major mission in orbit and have the broadest exposure to the sector's growth. The space economy is not a monolith, it's an ecosystem of launch, data, and infrastructure. Diversification across these sectors is your gateway to a trillion-dollar future. Don't put all your eggs in one rocket. Build a diversified orbital portfolio. If this deep dive was valuable, please subscribe and like this video. It helps us continue bringing you these analysis of the technologies of tomorrow. We are building this community together, focused on the future of finance and innovation. Thank you for your time. I hope this was valuable for you and see you in the next video. We're honored to have you as part of the family. Stay curious, stay invested, and we'll see you at the next launch. Sketch Capital is your eye on the stars.